Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, it shouldn't be too surprising that the Galaxy Z Fold series gets the most attention of any foldable. It's available globally, made by one of the most successful brands in smartphones, and was the first device to the scene to say nothing about that expansive, eye-catching display. But it's not the only folding phone Samsung offers today, and to some, the Galaxy Z Flip series is just as impressive. These clamshell phones offer a sense of fun above all else, with a thin and light build that helps make large display. Feel pocketable again as the year carries on. We're growing closer and closer to the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the fifth generation flip phone from Samsung that, if early leaks are anything to go by, could help the company catch up to some of its international competition and could make for one of the best Android phones on the market. It's likely to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 5. When it comes to this year's Galaxy Z Flip revision, there's only one story worth focusing on so far: the outer display. While Samsung's previous iterations of the phone have kept things small, capable of showing the time and date, notifications, and a tiny selfie viewfinder, it sounds like the company is aiming larger with its next clamshell. An early leak from notable tipster Ice Universe claims the main exterior display on the Z Flip 5 is larger than that found on the Oppo Find N2 Flip, that'd provide a substantial upgrade over the Galaxy Z Flip 4, while also likely adding some new functionality to the cover screen. Leaked render from Ice Universe. Further leaks showcased a silhouette of the phone that, while not a one-of-one match with these earlier rumors, do show an oddly shaped outline of a display that seems likely to represent the ticker, with the rest of the screen displayed separately. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.